We're back and we're on our Dino uniforms.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today is a very special episode because...
Sa Happy Lemon dito sa Mega Mall.
Yes! Because today, we are gonna take you out on a date. Diba, Daddy? Mag-date tayo ngayon.
Morning date.
Yeah, morning date! Okay, brought to you by the JK Vlog.
Shoot.
Before we start, guys, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, thumbs up this video if you like it, and click that tiny bell button so that you can get notifications every time we upload new videos.
So tara, date na tayo.
Yeah! Ang itsura ng store nila pagpasok nyo, di ba? So cozy. Actually, malaki na to in comparison with their other branches. Ang ganda rin ng presentation ng menu nila. Kasi, ayan, ang cute ng mga animation, no? And one of the things that I appreciate pagdating sa mga ganito is yung nakalista na kung magkano yung prices nila. Hindi ka na manghuhula kung magkano. So, let's see. What do I want? Our drinks ready. So I ordered yung matcha tiramisu.
I had Oreo with rock salt and cheese topping, and I ordered extra. So,
Okay.
yun.
Let's do the sniff test muna, Daddy.
Bango.
Ay, mabango.
Ah.
Smells a little, para may pagka-vanilla yung amoy niya. Tapos mabango siya. Very creamy, custardy yung scent. What about yours?
Okay.
Amoy?
Ito yung Oreo.
Uy, amoy chocolate. Sarap. So, let's do the taste test then. Cheers, guys! Oh my gosh, that is so refreshing.
Look at your mustache.
Oh, hi guys! Alright, so far so good, guys. I'm enjoying my mustache actually.
Mine, I can clean it up.
Kasi
Completely.
meron kang ano eh, may bigote ka na eh. Pero masarap siya in fairness, grabe.
Okay.
I thought in the beginning, parang mas masarap siya kapag hinalo. Pero I like it the way it is. My suggestion, huwag niyo siyang haluin. Just drink it as it is. Kasi nagkakaroon ng levels of flavors, di ba?
Yung sa akin, medyo mahirap siya kasi merong Oreo sa ibabaw. Pero pag nalampasan mo yung Oreo, yung rock salt and cheese na topping, dun mo malalasahan. Tapos, yun, unti-unti lang, yung sweet.
Yeah.
About Happy Lemon, you could choose the sweetness level of your drink. Yung piliin natin normal lang, kaya hindi siya sobrang tamis. If you opt to have a sweeter drink, you just choose the 100%. So yun, you just opted for the normal.
Wala na yung lipstick ko, Daddy.
Tingin?
Wala na. No more.
Wala na.
No more. Another way of enjoying your very delicious Happy Lemon rock salt and cheese drink is
By trying out their newest bubble waffle.
yeah. it to me. Give it to me. Yay! They have 3 different flavors. They have the classic one, which is I think the vanilla one. Yeah. And then they have the special one, which is the matcha. And this one is chocolate.
Yeah.
I'm excited for this one because you guys know that I love matcha, right? Step 1.
Get a drink.
Step number 2.
Order all bubble waffle flavors.
Sipping test, guys. This smells like legit green tea. It has a very sweet, milky, no, scent.
Mine is the usual vanilla flavor.
The usual pancake. So yan, sobrang ang galing nila. Pati yung detail na ganyan. Kailangan perfect na perfect talaga.
We are now ready to pinch, dip, and pop.
Pinch, dip, pop, pinch, dip, pop, pinch, dip, pop, pinch, dip, pop.
Trying the matcha flavor.
Good. It's good. That's it, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you did. And this video is not going to end without any giveaway.
All you have to do is answer the question, how do you stay happy?
Don't forget to include your Instagram handle and your email address and check out more rules down in the description box.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys. We love you. Mwah.